everyone. I am Anjali Dadiwal, Managing Director Team 360. I invite DD sir to discuss second shloka of first chapter. You see, Duryodhan is frustrated after seeing expertly arranged Pandav army. So he went to Guru Dronacharya for appreciating about critical situations. He said, Gover, discipline is supreme commander in chief of enemy army. No need to be lenient about him. Please be remain whole supportive to me. Please. So I would like invite DD sir.
Today, let us start our discourse on Bhagavad Gita because we are having our mission of 700 days to complete the whole Bhagavad Gita. Okay, I am DD Sharma, CEO and Chairman Team 360. First of all, I would like to give thanks to Anjali ma'am for inviting me, and secondly I extend my thanks to Hema ma'am for digital support. Okay, then today second day, so second sloka of first chapter we recite first and then we start our discourse. So first, what is that? That is Drashtva tu Pandavanikam Vyudham Duryodhanastada Acharya Pumasanyam Raja Vachanam Mabravit. Means you have seen this sloka on digital board, but first I tell you about the meaning of this sloka. I give you the situation and circumstances developed in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Okay? But for the purpose of you, what is important? What is important for you is this Bhagavad Gita 700 days mission will make you excellent. Okay? Important is you become excellent. Okay? And second, you become significant. Third, you become prosperous. Fourth, you become glorious. So making you what? Making you excellent, significant, prosperous and glorious. This is our sole purpose of this discourse. Okay? Now I tell you, there is a battlefield of Kurukshetra, where both armies were arranged very, very intelligently. Okay? Then Duryodhan, king at that time, successor of the Dhritarashtra, came and see the army of Pandavas that was very intelligently, accurately arranged in a beautiful and a very effective manner of army. Okay? For fighting against Duryodhana's army. Okay? So he was very much perplexed there, fear, shocked he was. Then he came to see the political advantages. So he went to Acharya Dronacharya. Okay, he went to Dronacharya and told to Dronacharya that you see your disciple Drashtadyumna, your disciple is commander-in-chief of Pandav army. Keep carefully, my teacher, my respected teacher, your disciple is the commander of our enemy party. So keep in your mind, you should not be lenient about him. Okay? Though he is your discipline, but now there is no matter of discipline. This is the matter of the enemies are fighting each other. Okay? So you should not be lenient about them. He also said again that you are my teacher or you will fight for me. There is Arjun, that is also your best disciple. And other Pandavas are also dear to you. They all are loving you and you love them. But now this time you are in my favor. You are standing with me. So you don't be lenient about it. Okay? He took confidence of Dronacharya for winning the battle. Okay? In our families, what we see? The generations, the father and son of grandfather, they are having one battalion in our families. Second grandfather he is also having his sons and grandsons and grandsons. They are also having their generation, and there is a separate army, and they both are quarreling each other. In the similar way, husband has many his friends, his favorables, and wife has her favorables. They are fighting each other. Everywhere in our time, in our families, in our offices, there are two parties. Okay? So there is a battlefield everywhere. You find you are working in a own way, neighbors are working against you. You may find this everywhere in your every walk of life. There are two armies. One army is you are heading, the other army is your opponent is heading. So the similar is the case in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. So what is the teaching we take? We should not repeat the mistake done by Dhritarashtra, who told about Duryodhan is appealing to his teacher Sanjay. Sanjay was a mediator. He was telling all the things which were seen by him in war. He is giving all information to Dhritarashtra. Okay? So this is very, very important. Bhagavad Gita is teaching are helpful for making our life successful. Okay? You make yourself excellent, you make yourself prosperous, you make yourself significant, you make yourself glorious. So listen every day. Up to 700 days I will make these videos. You listen, you understand, you internalize and get benefit significantly. Thank you very much.
Eye-opening session. Such situations are sometime in our families also. So the teaching of Bhagavad Gita is much helpful to handle family problems. I am Anju Jangit, Project Director, Team 360. I extend my thanks to all. Okay, best of luck to all. See you again in the next session.